So here we go. We're in the park again, rocking and rolling. Olivia doing her thing, walking. You see what's ahead of me? Yeah, we got some birds. Last time this happened, she scared them all off. She loves running birds. Let's see this happen. Let's see what happens here. I'm gonna give her some space. Oh, they already ran. They already know about her. They already know how she operates. Look at her. She's like, yep, I want me some birds. Uh-huh. They already know. Let's see. Let's go a little closer. Let's see if they'll run. I can only go so far, Olivia. Let's see. Oh, she wants them. She wants them. Oof. Over here. Let's see. Oh, she wants to go. That's crazy. No, Olivia, this way. One more time. One more time. Let's see. Oh, they already know. Haha. That's Olivia chasing birds.